Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of December. As you guys can see, the market in the past 24 hours is doing pretty well. It is up about 0.96%, so almost 1% on the upside. If we take a look right here, top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be IOTA, and it's currently trading at $1.51. It is up about 33.2%. So we're seeing a lot of these altcoins continue to run now in the past 24 hours and obviously even the past 48 hours or so. Highest volume like usual, Bitcoin almost at 40 billion volume right there, as you guys can see. So, Ethereum 24.1 billion. Bitcoin was trading at around 50,000 during the day and now pulled back down about, to 48,500. Ethereum was trading at around 38, almost 3,900, and now we're pulling back to about 3,700. So we're seeing these similar patterns that happen overnight pretty much. Overnight, we tend to see a lot of action, especially going into the next day, right before midnight. We tend to see a lot of action happen in the crypto space where they either pull back or they continue to boom higher. As you guys can see, Cardano is up. Solana is booming, guys, $133. Just a few days ago, we were talking about this one, and it was trading at under $100, and we were talking about the resistance. Now it's up 17%. It seems like everything is either up a few percent or down a few percent. So obviously that's going to be a positive thing. So guys, before we get into this countdown, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 41,000 subscribers. So subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below letting me know what crypto are you currently buying and what do you think is going to happen in the month of September. So let's get into it. The first altcoin is going to be Avalanche coin right here, AVAX. So this one is a hot momentum play, obviously. We saw a little bit of a pullback in the past few days, and now we're seeing another run again. So this one is trading at right under $46, up about 8% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it's up 10%. As you guys can see, went up to highs of 52, pulled back down all the way to about $39, so about a 20% downward trend, and now we're recovering slowly and potentially starting a new run. So here in the 1 month chart, it is up 253% with highs, like we said, at around $58, $59 here on August 24th. So this coin was trading at around $12 at the beginning of August, went all the way up to those highs. In the past year, it's up 358%, breaking through all-time highs here that we saw in February, actually. So we pretty much touched that area and pulled back down. We couldn't break through that resistance at around $60 that we saw in February 9th here of 2021. This coin was trading, last September at $10 or so. So it's made some, great progress here. Market cap, 8.2 billion. And if you guys take a look here at the volume, 957.9 million. So this coin obviously is one of those hot momentum plays right now that is trending on higher. We have Avalanche, we have Solana, some of the most popular coins right now that are moving very, very quickly. Solana has been doing very well, obviously, for all of us that have been following the channel. We got in on Solana close to around $35 or so, and now Solana's at over $130. So, over 300% plus profit was made on Solana for anybody that got in early. So Avalanche, pretty much same pattern from, $10 all the way to $50. That's about a 400% gain, which is insane. That means if you invested $1,000 into Avalanche, right now you would be up about $4,000 profit, or, in total you would have around $5,000 worth of Avalanche coins, and you would be making some nice gains, obviously. So Avalanche coin, momentum play, definitely something to keep on watching to see if it's going to continue to break out higher in the next couple of weeks. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Aave. So Aave right here is down about 2.78% the past 24 hours, trading at $394.39. In the past week, it's actually up about 12.5% almost. In the past month, 23%. And obviously on the 1 year chart, 76,000%, guys. This coin was trading at like 50 cents last October when it started trading. From 50 cents, we went up to highs of over $670 here in May. And then obviously we saw the crypto market, crash kind of and pull back down. We went to lows of about $187 or so. But obviously from that low in June to the high that we reached here at around $400, over 100% profit has been made on Aave as well. So there was a lot of potential from the down to the high, obviously. So market cap right now, 5.3 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours is at 335 million, which is very nice. 5.3 billion market cap, still on the lower end of the market cap. Obviously, it's not in the millions. They're under 1 billion market cap is pretty much low market cap. This one's a little bit higher, but it's still considered to be a low market cap coin. Aave, for those of you who aren't familiar with this one, is an Ethereum token that powers Aave, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Now, depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So obviously, one of those greener coins that had some momentum here in May, obviously went from $400 all the way to highs of $670. So a $200, $250 profit right there was made in a matter of about a week or so on the green coin hype. Then we saw it literally crash back down, and then the market pretty much sold off, and we saw it continue to go lower and lower in the next few months. And then we consolidated just like the rest of the market, and then now we're on the upside. Then everything seems to be going right now. We're going to be looking out to see if this breaks out through this resistance area at around $400 and continues the uptrend, or if we're going to see a downtrend. Obviously, it all depends. All these altcoins perform differently, but there's one thing to keep in mind is obviously as the large cap coins continue to run, the mid cap and the low cap coins usually tend to follow the same pattern right after. So, if Bitcoin goes up 5%, altcoins are usually up, 10, 15, 20% or so, or even higher. So this is definitely something that interests me, obviously, to see how it's going to perform in the near future. So that's going to be our second altcoin. And then our third altcoin on the list is going to be AMP, so AMP. This one is currently up about 1.8% in the past 24 hours, trading at 0.561, so 0.0561, so about 5 cents per coin. In the past week, this one is actually down 8%. It actually went down, pretty high, pretty low down there. In the past month, down 16%. In the past year, this one is up 488.55%. So it went from about 1 cent all the way to highs here of about, we saw 12 cents in June. And then obviously now continue to go lower and lower. And now we're actually consolidating. So even though the rest of the market is on an uptrend right now, AMP is trading sideways. So what can we expect from this? Well, it could be lagging behind the market. It could be, holding back, and then we might see a breakout happen. So that's the opportunity we like to see. We don't want to buy a coin that's already, went up 300, 400, 500%. We'd rather have a coin that's been consolidating for a little bit and then has a potential for an explosive uptrend, obviously, as AMP looks to have right here, maybe in the future. So obviously this is pretty much like a gamble type opportunity where it's trading sideways right now, and then there might be an opportunity in the next few weeks, next few months for an uptrend. So that's what we're trying to catch, obviously, before it happens. So right now it's trading sideways at a support level, which is nice to see. And then obviously if it explodes on the upside, that's going to be a positive thing for us because we got in before the hype happens. So that's something important to keep in mind. Market cap 2.5 billion right now, so very low market cap, lower than the previous two. Volume in the past 24 hours at 90.3 million. AMP is an Ethereum token that aims to collateralize payments on the Flexa network, making them instant and secure. If a BTC or ETH payment fails due to the unconfirmed or long transition times, the AMP collateral can instead be liquidated to cover losses, while the validator receives payment in fiat, potentially providing greater assurance to both parties. So AMP, definitely one of those coins with a lower market cap that has potential in the future to continue to grow. So AMP's going to be our third coin on the list. Now, guys, the rest of the market, like we said, let's take a look how everything is performing. So Solana is going to be the first one we're going to take a look at real quick. So this one, we were obviously trading at, $30, $40, $50, even under $100. And now we're breaking out. We hit highs here of about $133 just a few minutes ago. So we're up about 17% in the past week, 78%, guys, which is insane. Solana continues to, have this uptrend. In the past month, it's up over $300. Last month when we talked about this one, like we said, it was trading at $32 or so. So insane. Over 300% profit could have been made in the past month. If you guys are subscribed to the channel, you would have, seen gains like this. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you're missing out on potential gains like this. So subscribe to the channel. What are you guys waiting for? In the past year, this coin's up over 3,600%. Previous all-time high at $55, like we said, went to 23, and now we're just seeing this explosion on the upside. Now, obviously, this coin might be a little bit overbought, overextended right now. We might see a pullback in the near future, so don't be surprised if we see Solana take a little bit of a breather in the upcoming weeks. 37.8 billion market cap, 5 billion volume. Solana is looking very, very juicy right now, but the gains might have already been made, and it might be time for a little bit of a pullback. Doge is down 5%, guys. This one just keeps on going back and forth. It's not really going anywhere. It's just trading sideways. In the past week, 7% upside. In the past month, it's up 42%. Past year, 10,000%. But it went from that 16 cents level to the 34 cents level. And then for past 3 or 4 weeks, we've been trading around this level. So, Doge still trading around, 29, 30 cents or so. Market cap 38.1 billion. I don't see this one continuing in that uptrend for a long time. Obviously, if the market is green and continues to boom, Dogecoin is going to continue to move a little bit higher, but I don't see any extreme, 100% gains from here. That would be insane in my opinion, and I don't think something like that is going to happen. It was a meme, a one-time meme, and I don't believe that's going to happen again. Ethereum's down almost 1%, but obviously we're making highs. We hit highs here about $3,830 at one point on Thursday, so it's performing very well at $3,700 right now. In the past week, it's up 21%. Past month, 43%. In the past year, 879%. Here in July, we were trading at $1,700. Now we're trading at over $3,700. So $2,000 profit per coin has been made in the past month or so, month and a half. So Ethereum is performing very well. 448.8 billion market cap. We're very close to the all-time highs of 4,400. We're only about $700 away from that. That could, that we could see that, change in about a few weeks. So I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum tries to break through that 4,000, resistance and continues to go higher to all-time highs in the next few weeks. So in the next few months, we could definitely see it and continue to push on higher. We still have a price target for Ethereum in the long term of $10,000 per coin. So it's looking very bright for us right now, guys. Bitcoin hit highs here on Thursday at $50,000, almost $400. And now we're obviously at $48,700. It's pretty much flat in the past 24 hours. In the past week, flat as well. Past month, up 22%. Past year, 327%. So, Ethereum is double what Bitcoin has returned. So any Ethereum investors made about, double what any Bitcoin investor have in the past year. So Ethereum investors are winning right now. So Ethereum, or actually Bitcoin, is at 927.5 billion market cap. We went from about 29,000 all the way to highs of about 50,000. So that's a 21,000 upside, which is nice. That is a nice gain right there. Obviously, around 60 to 70% profit made in the past month and a half on Bitcoin. We're seeing some consolidation and hoping for an uptrend in the near future to happen with Bitcoin as well as Ethereum to continue that trend as well. And then obviously altcoins will usually perform as the same pattern and continue to go higher and higher also. So guys, what do you guys think? What do you think is going to happen in the crypto space in the near future? Leave a comment below. Smash that like button if you enjoyed content like this. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Let's aim for 41,000 subscribers. And if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Before investing into the crypto space or in the stock market, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So speak to your financial advisor, and remember, there's always a high risk, high reward type situation in the crypto space, and you could lose it all by investing in something that you don't understand. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.